Hi guys, Merry Christmas! I have some gifts to open today, so let's see what are they. This one is coming from my special friend, Favreau. Okay? Wow, look at that dinger. And see? It's RFID protected already. It's a some compartment, something there. See? Let's see if they have lucky money. Usually if there's a wallet like this, there's a lucky money. Let's see where they are. Maybe my husband took it. Nothing. Nothing. You see? Oh, there you go. There you go. There's a lucky 20 bucks. Thank you, Miss Ro. This is my birthday gift from her. Coming from her. Not from my husband. My husband didn't give me something. Right, sweetie?
I gave you, but you don't like.
There's another one here from my birthday present. Let's see what's inside. Oh, there's something here. Oh wow, a nice bag from aloe vera. I'm not feeling well, so see, nothing in there. Let's see. My husband is not feeding me well, so I'm not feeling well. So I have a new bag, a pouch bag from Aloe. I'm gonna wear this today. And another one. Oh well, this card. Let's see who they come from. I think this is from my Kodan. So see, happy birthday. Thank you. It's from Teacher Anne. From Teacher Anne. Thank you, Teacher Anne. From Anne Go. My birthday gift from her. Plus the aloe. Thank you. So nice. Thank you for her generosity gift. And let's see the other one. This is from Michael. From the Bond chapter when I won something here for the game. So I know that already. And what's this one? Oh, this one is another one. This is niacinamide whitening. Oh, I'm gonna be more white here, whiter than my husband. So this is niacinamide pure serum 2-in-1. Body and face whitening, hydrating. I don't know how to use this one. Whiten skin for 21 days. So I'm gonna be like a Snow White, like my husband.
No.
Although thoroughly cleaning skin, types of A avoids pure serum, gentle massage over your face, neck until it absorbs. Quickly penetrate your skin. Ayan po. Niacinamide. Thank you. Anonymous. Maybe one from my answer. Nothing. Nothing. Anonymous. But thank you so much. And this one, I have another one. Christmas gift from, this is for both of us. From the Perennial family. From me and my husband. Pretty. Can you get a big thing?
Are you?
Yeah, this is from our co-churchy. Couples for Christ. Co-churchy from Couples for Christ. So this is me and my husband. See, my husband is waiting for me what inside. This is his favorite.
What?
So that he cannot smell baho in the washroom.
No.
Hey, here, candle. His pumpkin harvest. See? So So my baho husband become baho like that. So this one helped him. Hey, stop tickling me, pangit. I'm doing my unboxing gift.
You're saying nonsense.
Yeah, not sense for you, but with sense for me.
Whatever.
So this is from my co-dancer Narisa for my birthday. Thank you, sis Narisa.
So guapo, Krisha.
You guapo to tomboy. You see, it's recording already there what you're talking. So this is from my friend Narisa, from my co-dancer, who is the very, very, very talkative friend of mine.
Yeah.
The other way around. Oh look, Susie. Oh, see, we have Susie, and then we're gonna dance with this. Eh? Parang sa nanay ko to ni Risa, ha? See? Anyhow, thank you so much for all your generosity. And also my husband gave me Dollarama, but I gave it to him. Okay? Thank you. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas and have a prosperous New Year. Bye for now.